KSI, whose full name is Olajide Olayinka Williams Olatunji, has risen from a gaming YouTuber to one of the biggest names in entertainment, music, and boxing. His career includes viral videos, chart-topping songs, and sold-out arenas. Today, we're diving into KSI's journey to fame, exploring how he's built an empire across multiple industries while staying true to himself. 1. The early days, capitalizing on personality. KSI first made a name for himself on YouTube in the early 2000s, uploading gaming videos, primarily FIFA. His over-the-top reactions, humor, and energy made his content stand out in the growing YouTube gaming community. It wasn't just the gameplay that drew people in, it was KSI's personality. His witty commentary, infectious laugh, and ability to connect with his audience set him apart from other creators. Lesson: personality is everything. Your personality is an asset. KSI didn't rely on high production values. Instead, he invested in building a relatable and entertaining persona. This investment in personal branding is crucial for anyone looking to thrive in the digital space. 2. The viral moments, monetizing humor and creativity. KSI's YouTube career exploded with not only gaming but also viral challenges, pranks, and collaborations. His crossbar challenge and outrageous skits with the Sidemen, a group of friends and fellow YouTubers, created buzz across social media. His humor and willingness to push boundaries with edgy content helped him create shareable, viral moments. Key takeaway: virality can be monetized. KSI has mastered the art of creating shareable content, leveraging his comedic style and high-energy antics to maximize reach and revenue potential. For creators, understanding viral content's financial implications is essential for growth. 3. Beyond YouTube, diversifying revenue streams. What makes KSI truly remarkable is how he's evolved beyond YouTube. In 2015, he ventured into music, releasing rap tracks that received mixed reactions. However, KSI's relentless drive to improve saw him perfect his craft, eventually topping the UK charts with hit songs like Lighter, Holiday, and collaborations with big-name artists like Rick Ross and Lil Wayne. The lesson here is, diversification is the key. KSI didn't limit himself to one revenue stream. He expanded his portfolio into music, proving that diversifying income sources is a smart investment strategy. For creators, continuous skill development and branching into new fields can lead to significant financial rewards. 4. Boxing, a strategic move into a new arena. In 2018, KSI stepped into the boxing ring for his first fight against fellow YouTuber Joe Weller. This sparks a trend that changed the landscape of influencer boxing, but it was his two blockbuster fights with Logan Paul that confirmed his status as more than just a YouTuber. These events attracted millions of viewers, and the second fight was broadcast on DAZN, signaling KSI's crossover into mainstream entertainment. Lesson: take calculated risks. KSI's foray into boxing demonstrated the potential rewards of stepping outside conventional boundaries. This strategic move not only elevated his personal brand but also opened up lucrative opportunities in an otherwise traditional industry. 5. Monetizing success, creating a business empire. KSI has turned his massive following into a money-making empire. Whether through ad revenue, brand deals, merchandise, or his thriving music career, KSI has transformed his personal brand into a multi-million-dollar business. His fight with Logan Paul alone generated millions. His partnerships with brands like Adidas and Prime Hydration have further solidified his status as a savvy businessman. Key insight: build a business model around your brand. KSI didn't chase views, he recognized the potential to monetize his passions. By strategically turning attention into profit, he has positioned himself among the most successful content creators in 2024. He has an estimated net worth of around $35 million. 6. Controversy and redemption, navigating challenges. Like any public figure, KSI has faced his share of controversy. From early criticisms about inappropriate jokes to tensions within the Sidemen, KSI has navigated several challenges. However, he's taken these controversies as learning experiences, apologizing where necessary and showing real growth as a person and creator. This maturity has allowed him to maintain and grow his fan base over the years. The takeaway: reputation management is crucial. KSI's ability to navigate controversies and emerge stronger has helped him maintain his brand's value. For creators, understanding accountability's importance can lead to long-term sustainability in their careers. The ultimate takeaway: conclusion. So what's the secret to KSI's financial success? It's a blend of authenticity, hard work, adaptability, and strategic ambition. His rise from a YouTube gamer to a global entertainment icon highlights the power of diversification and calculated risks in building wealth. Whether you admire him or not, KSI's journey is a masterclass in creating a diverse, sustainable career in the entertainment entertainment industry. If you found this breakdown insightful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into internet success stories, and share your thoughts on KSI's incredible journey in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.